So this is our question for Gaussian forward and backward interpolation. Here two values are asked to calculate, 0.22 and 0.18. So first of all we have to denote these values as x0, x1, x2. So in here there are 5 values, so we will choose odd one case. So we will directly write x0 as 0.2 and before x0 values as x minus 1, x minus 2, after x0 values as x1 and x2. So if we are moving in the forward direction, that is after x0 we are finding any values solution, then these values, these will be calculation is by doing by Gauss forward formula. If we have to move back, that is we have to calculate value before x0, then we will use Gauss backward interpolation formula. So the red line which I have drawn here, these values are used for the Gauss forward formula, and the blue line which is drawn here will use by Gauss backward interpolation formula. So here what we are doing, we are underlining x0 and y0. After that we will move in downward direction, then again upward, then downward, then upward. So this will be the value for Gauss forward formula. Actually this is nothing but the value which is in the formula only. So in the table we are seeing this value as in this way. Now here it is asked to calculate 0.22. If you see, 0.22 is lying between these two values, 0.2 and 0.3. If it is asked to calculate 0.22 by forward interpolation formula, then x0 is 0.2, because if x0 is lying at 0.22 is lying between these two values, so we will do calculation in this way. Or if 0.22 is lying in this way, then we have to put x0, denote x0 as 0.1, because actually this is not 0.22, 0.18, or this is asked to calculate by Gauss forward only, then we will write this as x0, this is as x1. So you have to take care of the thing that the value which is asked in the question should lie between x0 and x1 for the case of Gauss forward formula. And for the Gauss backward formula, the value which is asked in the question should lie between x0 and x minus 1. So this is the important thing which you have to take care. So here in this table we have written x and values of x. So center value as x0, then x minus 1, x minus 2, x1 and x2, and y is given. Then we have find first difference, second difference, third difference and fourth difference, so on. Now this is thing which we know already. Now we will see the formula. Here we have to compute f of 0.2 using Gauss forward interpolation formula. So here x is 0.22 lie in the middle of the table, and we are selecting x0 as 0.2 because we are using Gauss forward formula. So what things we are needed here? So first of all, x is 0.22, x0 is 0.20, h is 0.1, y0 is 1.2214, and with the value which I have drawn by arrow, red colors arrow, are nothing but delta y0 first value, then delta square y minus 1 0.10122, delta cube y minus 1 0.0014, and delta raised to 4 y minus 2 as 0.0002. U is given by x minus x0 divided by h, so 0.22 minus 0.20 upon 0.1 is 0.2. So by Gauss forward interpolation formula, this is the formula. Actually formula is same for the case of even and odd, but in case of even we have to take care for x0, which value of the middle two value we have to select x0 and which we have to select as x1. So in odd case there is no issue, you can select value. After which formula you are using, actually that matters for the selection of x0. So y0 plus u into delta y0, u into u minus 1 upon 2, delta square y minus 1, u minus 1, u plus 1, delta cube y minus 1, u minus 1, u minus 2, u plus 1 upon 4 factorial, delta raised to 4 y minus 2 plus and so on. So here I have put all the value of this here, and on calculating this we are getting answer as 1.2461. So this is how we can solve the question using Gauss forward interpolation formula. Now next we have Gauss backward interpolation formula. There are again two cases. One is for odd equispaced argument and one is for even equispaced argument. So for even odd case, we have formula as y naught plus u delta y minus 1 plus u into u plus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y minus 1. So formula is same, but here in the case of Gauss forward interpolation formula, we are subtracting first, then we are adding, and here we are adding first, then we are subtracting. So u into u plus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y minus 1, u into u plus 1 into u minus 1 upon 3 factorial delta cube y minus 2, and so on up to u plus n, u plus n minus 1, u plus 1, u minus 1 into u minus n plus 1 upon 2n factorial delta raised to 2n y minus n. So this is the formula, and this is in the terms of combination. We have remainder as r2n plus 1x is equal to u plus n minus 1 into u plus 1 into n into, this is not n, this is u minus 1 up to u minus n upon 2n plus 1 factorial h to the power 2n plus 1 f to the power 2n plus 1 xi upon 2n plus 1 factorial, where the value of xi lies between minimum and maximum of x minus n and xn. For even case, we have formula as y naught plus u into delta y minus 1, u into u plus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y minus 1, u plus 1 into u minus 1 upon 3 factorial delta cube y minus 2, u plus n minus 1, u plus n minus 2 into u minus 1, u minus n plus 1 upon 2n minus 1 factorial delta raised to 2n minus 1 y minus n. For this formula, remainder is same, and xi lies between minimum and maximum of x n minus 1, x minus n, and x n minus 1, x minus n. So this is the formula for Gaussian backward interpolation. Now we will solve a question. Now the same question which we have solved for Gaussian forward interpolation formula, now we will solve f of 0.18 by Gaussian backward interpolation formula. So first of all, 0.18 is lies between these two values, and I have already told you that for backward interpolation value should be lies between, or we can say that value is before x naught. So x naught is, choice of x naught is correct. So this is x minus 1 and this is x minus 2. So our x naught is lying here. So the blue arrow which indicates value are used by Gaussian backward interpolation formula. Now f of 0.18 is lying here. So it is clear that we can use the Gaussian backward interpolation formula for this. Now we have to see if it is only asked to calculate f of 0.18 by Gaussian forward interpolation, then what? So for forward, we know the value which is asked to calculate should lie between 0 and 1, and for backward value should be lie between 0 and minus 1. So 0.18 is lying here. So in this case, we have to choose x0 as 0.1 and x1 as 0.2. So for different question, choice of x0 and x1 is different. Now see the solution for this. Now we have to calculate 0.18, so we will use Gaussian backward interpolation formula given by y naught plus u into delta y minus 1 plus u into u plus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y minus 1, u into u plus 1 into u minus 1 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y minus 2, u into u plus 1, u plus 2, u minus 1 upon 4 factorial delta raised to 4 y minus 2 up to dash dash dash. So here u is 0.18 minus 0.2 is minus 0.2 dividing 0.1. Now y naught is 1.2214, delta y minus 1 is 0.1162, delta square y minus 1 is 0.0122, and delta cube y minus 2 is 0.0012, delta raised to 4 y minus 2 is 0.002. So actually we have to only take care that the value which I have indicated arrow will come in this manner only, that first value is nothing but delta y minus 1, second value is in the square second difference value is delta square y minus 1. In third difference value which we are getting is delta cube y minus 2. And fourth we are getting is delta raised to 4 y minus 2. So if we put this value in the formula and on doing calculation, we are getting answer as 1.1972. So this is the question how we can solve Gaussian backward formula. How we can solve the question to find f of 0.18, 0.22 using Gaussian forward and backward interpolation formula.